If you are withdrawing your EPF amount in August 2025 and don't know how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal, then this video is for you. I will give the download link of Form 15G PDF in the video description below. Just click on that link and you can download the Form 15G in the PDF format. EPF members need to fill Form 15G if their EPF amount is above 50,000 rupees and service is below 5 years. In that case only, they have to submit Form 15G. If the PF amount is less than 50,000 rupees, they don't need to submit Form 15G. Or if the service is above 5 years, then irrespective of the PF amount, they don't need to submit Form 15G. Form 15G has two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. EPF member only need to fill the Part 1. There is no need to fill the Part 2. But when you are uploading Form 15G while withdrawing PF amount using Form 19, you have to upload both Part 1 and Part 2 pages. That means you have to upload 2 pages. So even though you don't fill the Part 2, you have to scan this page and you have to upload it along with the Part 1. Let's see how to fill the Form 15G for PF withdrawal. In field number 1, write your name. It should match with your EPF account name. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write status as individual. In field number 4, write previous year. Previous year means financial year. Right now we are in the financial year of 2025 to 2026. It starts from 1 April 2025 and it will end on 31 March 2026. So in between, if you are withdrawing your EPF amount, then you can mention the previous year like in this video. In field number 5, write residential status as Indian. From field number 6 to field number 13, write your address details. Field number 13 is your email ID. The address need not to match with your EPF address. You can write any of your current address. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed any IT returns, then tick S and mention the assessment year in the B. If you haven't filed any income tax returns, then you can just tick no. In field number 16, write your EPF amount. For example, if this person has 1,50,000 rupees in his PF account, then he has to write 1,50,000 rupees. Remember, you have to mention only PF amount, not the pension amount that you see in the last column of your EPF passbook. Form 15G is only for the PF amount. For pension amount, you don't need to submit Form 15G and no TDS will deduct from the pension amount. In field number 17, you have to include your estimated annual income plus the PF amount. For example, the estimated annual income of this person is for financial year 2025 to 2026 is 1 lakh. Then for 1 lakh, you have to add this 1,50,000 rupees. So it will become 2,50,000 rupees. Your estimated annual income means your monthly salary or any other incomes like rents or dividends. You have to include all those things in the total annual income. For that, you have to add your EPF amount. If the amount is about 2,50,000 rupees, then you have to file income tax returns. In field number 18, if you have submitted any other Form 15Gs for any other investments like fixed deposits or post office deposits or for dividends, then you have to mention those details. Under total number of Form 15Gs, write total number. For example, 1 or 2. If you have submitted one Form 15G, then write 1 here and mention the total amount here. In field number 19, you have to write your EPF details. Under serial number, write 1. Under identification number, write your UN number. Under nature of income, write EPF. Under section, write 192A. Under amount of income, write your EPF amount that you have written in the field number 16. Next, you have to sign in the signature of the declarant field. Next, come to the declaration or verification part. Here, write your name again. Next, come to the previous year ending on. As I said earlier, previous year means financial year. Right now, we are in the financial year of 2025 to 2026. It will end on 31 March 2026. So, write 31 March 2026 here. Next, write the assessment year. The year next to the financial year is called as the assessment year. So it is 2026 to 2027. The same details you have to write again. Here you can see previous year ending on. It is again 31 March 2026 and assessment year is 2026 to 2027. Next, write the location name and next write the date on which you are withdrawing your EPF amount. Next, again you have to put your signature. So you need to put 2 signatures in the Form 15G. So that's it. You don't need to fill anything other than the part 1. You have to leave this part 2 and it will be filled by the EPFO officer. See, I have filled this Form 15G in the Adobe Acrobat Reader, but you have to write it with a ball pen and you have to scan both part 1 and part 2. Remember this. If you are eligible but don't submit Form 15G, then 10% TDS will be deducted from your EPF amount. But in most cases, EPFO will reject your claim and ask you to submit a new claim along with the Form 15G. If your PAN number is also not linked to your EPF account, then 34.306% TDS will be deducted from your EPF amount. So make sure your PAN number is also linked to your EPF account. So this is how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal in August 2025. Still, if you have any doubts, ask in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to HR Cabin.